Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Satish Kumar. Today I am going to present my engineering project titled Proximity Alert System for Enhancing Worker Safety Around Construction Heavy Equipments. The aim of the project is design and develop a proximity alert system that can detect the object and classify into different safety zone and provide a real-time alert to the worker and machine operator. This is my prototype. I choose the construction excavator for my prototype. Normally, construction excavator have a lot of activities. The operator have to excavate the soil or stones, then shifting the debris to the other vehicles or other areas. So this equipment always have a lot of movements. So I choose this equipment for my prototype. Let's go through the components of our prototype. So the prototype excavator is the 1:20 scale. Then this is the Arduino board, and our ultrasonic sensor we fixing here, and LED screen we fix on top, and we provide the three LED lights in outside the machine. One is the green, yellow, and red, and also we provide the same set of LED lights inside the operator cabin. You can see here, and also we providing the uh, buzzer for operator cabin, so operator can hear the buzzer alert at the same time visual LED alert also. Currently I am showing from the top view with the prototype together with the zoning diagram. It's clearly showing operator visibility area and operator blind spot. So here we design as a three zone. One is the safe zone, warning zone, and third is the danger zone. Safe zone we design from the prototype more than 30 centimeter away we consider as a safe zone. 20 to 30 centimeter area we consider as a warning zone, and less than 20 centimeter away is the danger zone. From here to here operator can able to see clearly. So here is less risk, less safety issues for this area. He can able to manage. But in the right side we mention as the operator blind spot, right? This area is a high risk area, so during his operation very difficult to see this area. So in our project we focusing on the operator blind spot and providing the proximity alert system for this area. Now let me explain different zone, what kind of notifications we will receive from our prototype. First is away from 30 centimeter we consider as a safe zone. So in the safe zone ultrasonic sensor still continue to detect the object, and more than 30 centimeter no objects, it will shows the distance. Currently the distance is about 50 centimeter, and the display message it shows the safe zone. And you also can see here the display light, green color light continue to blink. It shows the area is safe to cross over. And at the same time the operator also receiving the notification via lights, so he also know if the area is safe to work. Now we move to the warning zone. So warning zone is less than 30 centimeter and within the 20 centimeter. Once I move the object, the ultrasonic sensor detect the dimension and shows the, you can see the distance. Currently the distance shows 24 centimeter, and the warning message is the warning keep clear, and buzzer sound you can hear also, right? So the buzzer will be moderate normal beep sound. And you also can see the light. The light currently it shows as a yellow light, and operator also receive the same yellow light inside the cabin. Okay, from now we move to the danger zone, which is less than 20 centimeter. You can see the message. You can see the message is changed to danger and stop. Whoever enter, they can see the message danger, immediately you need to stop. And what is the distance also is provide. And you can see the light, LED lights. LED light is changed to red color, and the beep is faster beep, and light also will be blinking faster. And the operator also receive the same message inside the cabin. Operator can have a beep sound, faster beep, and the lights will be red color lights will be blinking faster, so he can react immediately and stop the operation. So such way I designed my prototype.